Hi, Kiran. Thank you for the many hats that you sent me. I saw some dedications there today. Good evening. How are you doing? Yes, I'm just waiting for some more students to join in. All well, good, very good. Okay, guys, so what we are going to do today is like going to be a quiz where we will say, Who am I? Hi, Harmi, how are you? So my name is Harpreet Kaur Dodi. I've done a master's in English literature. I have a diploma in journalism, 17 years of teaching experience. I have trained students for exams like the CAT, MAT, SAT, SNAP, PGCET, banking, GRE, GMAT, SAT, ACT, and TOEFL. Today I'm an educator on hashtag CatLike Daily. Hello. Yes, we have two kinds of subscriptions, guys. We have the plus and we have the iconic. You can take the plus or the iconic. We have India's best educators, interactive live classes, structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. If you want more, guys, in addition to the plus, we have iconic where you have a personal coach, OMED preparation, expert guidelines, and test analysis too. So please go ahead and subscribe with the plus or the iconic, whichever one you will take, guys. You just have to pay 16,400 for 6 months and 22,500 for 12 months. Very, very reasonably priced. On the 6 months, we have a 1 month offer too. And guys, if you use Core 10, you will get a 10% discount also. Yes, so this is Iconic Cat. We have personal mentor, test analysis, OMED preparation, benefits of the plus. These are the people who will be mentoring you. They are graduates from top B schools. These are the students who made it to CAT 2020 with flying colors. If you want to be one of them, please go ahead and enroll. Bumper offer is still there, guys. 6 months plus 1 month coming free to you. 1 month is 4,100 rupees. 6 month is 16,400. Hi, Core 10 use करोगे 10% off भी मिल जाएगा, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe. Plus, I'm starting a batch on the 5th of July on the plus, and we are starting with the basics, guys. Plus pay, I'm starting a batch 5th of July. Hi, Shweta. Hi, Simran, Shivangi. Hi, guys, all my students. 5th ko I'm starting a batch, guys, where I will be doing a mixed batch of bag of all kinds of questions. So, yes, India's biggest weekly scholarship test happening, and this happens every Sunday on the Combat. It happens at 12 p.m. You can unlock by using code CORE10. Right, all you need to do is you can scan on this particular code and you can enroll. We have subscriptions or scholarships from rank 1 to 200. 75% be here, 50% be here, 25%. I'm sure you will rank somewhere among the 200, guys. IPMAT, BBN, hotel management is also there, guys. So it's a comprehensive 1 year course. If you take a 12-month subscription, 2 months off, 24-month subscription, 3 months off, and you can use Core 10 in order to subscribe. Core 10 use karo. Telegram channel livedaily.me/tat is there. Harpreet ma'am, Unacademy Cat is my group. I hope all of you are there on it. I take classes every day, 10 a.m. in the morning. 5 p.m. is my special class. 11:30 is the plus class. Starting on 5th of July. So today, we are doing an interesting one, which is known as Who Am I? It's a lecture which is talking about who am I, and I have almost 42 slides here. It's more like a quiz. So I will give you 30 seconds to answer this particular question, and you have to tell me in the end how are your scores. So stay with me throughout this particular quiz in order to learn words and also to see what is your level of vocabulary. So on your marks, get set, go. So while the poll is going on, guys, I want you to write down the meaning, the other words. So as soon as you finish with the poll, I want you to make a list of these words. All of them are important. And you will give me the meanings also. You will give me the meanings. Yes, a person who is not sure of the existence of God. So a person who questions the existence of God. He questions the existence of God. While an atheist is a non-believer, right? He doesn't believe only. He's a non-believer. This person questions, is not sure about the existence of God, therefore agnostic. Agony means pain. What is Aikido? Aikido is a Japanese form of self-defense in Japan. Aisle, what is the aisle, guys? Aisle is the passage like you have in the aircraft or you have in the church. The passage between rows of chairs is known as the aisle. We also say, have you walked the aisle? Walk the aisle is an expression or idiomatic expression which means, are you married? Correct? Okay, going to the next one. Question number 2 on your screen. All those who are joining in, guys, very fast, please join in. Yes, answer is D, right? Yes, some of you are marking B. Ambiguous means two-sided. Ambitious is a person who has a lot of dreams and ambitions and goals. He wants to achieve his goals. Amity is friendship. Amateur is a newcomer, a person who does things for pleasure. He's not a professional. So amateur. So who am I is D. Okay, coming to the third one. Question number 3 on your screens. You must get this 100%. I want most of them to be 100%, guys. Come on. Yeah, can we have some fun today? Today is a fun class because we are 1st of July. We need to learn words, but we should also have fun sometimes. So activity is important while we do some learning also. Oh, it's not 100%. I can't believe it. You don't know the meaning of this one. Yeah, a person who can use both hands with ease. He can use both hands. So look at this root. Ambi is both. Dexterous is skillful. So even from the word, reading of the word, you can make out that ambidextrous means using both hands with ease. There are certain people who can use the right hand and left hand most effectively. While ambiguous is two-sided, the statement is ambiguous. Ameliorate is to improve. Lack of blood. No, Kiran. Amnesia is lack of memory. Anemia, you're saying. Anemia is lack of blood. Yes, Kiran. Yeah, whatever meanings you know, guys, you can put them up. Question number 4. Yes, you got confused. I understood. Yes, there's a lot of competition here, guys. There may be competition, a difference of only one question or one answer by the end. So stay with me. Let us have some fun and learn some words also. I can see some contenders are very, very close. Jerina, Radha, Shivangi, Manu, Jaya, all are fighting for the top spot. A lot of people fighting for the top spot. So one question can make all the difference to your position. So let us see. I'm a person who believes in or tries to bring about a state of lawlessness. Who am I? I'm an anarchist. The word anarchy means lawlessness, no law. Anchor. Anchor is supposed to be like you have an anchor in a TV show. A person who conducts a show is known as an anchor. Anchor is also when you're trying to anchor a boat, right? Yes, aristocrat is a noble. Autocrat is, yeah, he's the host. Yes. Autocrat is supposed to be like a dictatorship, self-rule. Auto means self. Crat is rule. Okay, I'm a person who has changed my faith. I change my faith and I take up some other faith. You can eliminate options also and arrive at an answer, guys. Come on. Yes, Shivangi, Jyoti, Rajat, Himanshi, Kiran. Very good. Can you put up the meanings of other words? Those who know. Yes, while the poll is going on, guys, if you give me the meaning of other words. Anonymous. Who is a person who is anonymous? Not known. Anonymous letter. If you get a letter without the name hidden, very good. So answer is apostate. Apiary is a place where bees are kept. Place for bees. Very good. And appendage means to add. Added. Something when it's added to something, it is known as an appendage. A person appointed by two parties to solve a dispute. What is he called? Yes, answer is definitely D. Today, 42 questions. Yeah, so many questions, guys. So this is known as a moral. Apologue is known as a moral fable. Like fable means a story with a moral. Appendage is to add on, correct. Arboreal is, yeah, if you give me the meanings, then I don't have to put up the meanings. We can save time. Arboreal is living in trees, like all animals which are living in trees, like monkeys, chimpanzees, what you call orangutans, arboreal. So arbitrator is a person who is a mediator, right? Okay. Next one. In the meantime, you can put up the meanings of other words if you know. Whichever word meaning you know, guys, you can put it up so that everyone can read it. We can save time. Yes, so arsonist. Correct. Arsonist. Arson means setting fire. Loot and arson. Indulging in arson. Looting and setting on fire. Ascetic is like a saint or a hermit. Hermit. Sant Sadhu Baba. Aspersion is to criticize. Armada, fleet of ships. Yes, the Spanish Armada. Yes, so fleet of ships, which is known as the Armada, is already put up by other students. So you can write it down, guys. I'm a person who does not believe in the existence of God. Who is he? This one, 100%. I need 100% for this. Definitely. There we go. Rajat, Jarina, Shweta, Prachi, Radha. Very good, guys. 100%. No, only 80%. Don't tell me you don't know the meaning of this word. Or what is the word where you do not believe in the existence of God? Yes, guys, who is marking the wrong answer? Yes, I told in the first question itself, atheist. Yeah, atheist is a non-believer. Ascetic is a hermit. Yes, and acerbic is sharp, cutting, biting. Armada, fleet. Yes, self-denying, Radha, which one? I'm a person who is bad at spellings. Question number 9. Dr. VARC expert. Wonderful. I like that name. Yes, amazing. So much of confidence. I like the confidence of the students. Dr. VARC expert. I think you should change your name to 100 percentiler. Yes, guys. Dr. VARC can be 100 percentiler. Hi, Shyam. How are you? Yes. So a bad spelling is cacographer. Yes. Burrow is a tunnel. Yes, where the you burrow the rabbits and the rodents live there. Ascetic is a hermit. Cackle is the sound of geese. The sound of goose or geese or ducks is known as the cackle of the ducks. Who writes beautifully? Who am I who writes beautifully, guys? Come on. Cacography also means bad handwriting. Bad spelling, bad handwriting. Caco means harsh. So you also have cacophony. Cacophony is a harsh sound. Good guys, 92% getting it correct. I'm still waiting for that question where we'll get 100%. Writes beautifully. Calligraphy is the art of writing beautifully. Cackle is the sound of geese. As I just gave you, camaraderie. Camaraderie is a rapport. I like the camaraderie in the office. I like the camaraderie in the class. So, when there is a mutual understanding among the inmates, like, you kind of understand each other, there is harmony. And what is carte blanche? Carte blanche is a complete freedom to act as one wants to. So doing things the way you want to, complete freedom is known as carte blanche. Very good, guys. Okay, let's continue. A person who regards the whole world as his country. Whole world as his country. Who am I? This is the quiz we are doing, guys. You have to guess the individual, and in the process, you can write down the words of the other options and learn the meanings. With me today, we have 40 slides with 4 words in each. So lots of words that can be learnt in a single day. So I'm a person who regards the world as a whole country, is cosmopolitan, a person who has very mixed, diverse preferences. Crescendo is a large, loud sound, a peak, sound reaching a height or a peak, loud sound, right? Counterfeit is fake, counterfeit notes, fake notes. Cottagey is a funeral procession. When they carry the dead body, that is known as the cottagee. I'm a person who is a dabbler, not serious in art, science, or literature. Who am I? Come on, guys. Shivangi, Radha, Rajat, Kriya. Yes, guys, for the information of students who are just joining in, I'm starting a batch on the plus on the 5th. 5th of July, I'm starting a basics batch, guys, on the 5th of July on the plus. Those who wish to join can join with Core 10. Yes, my code is given to you here. Please go ahead and join. Yes, you can get a 10% discount. It's still not too late. 5 months is a good time to study for the CAT examination. Most of you are marking C. Okay, learn this word with me, guys. You don't know this word? So, what I would define as a dilettante is a jack of all trades, master of none. He knows a little bit of everything, but he is not a expert. So he is called a dabbler. Dabbler means thoda yahan pe, thoda wahan pe, not serious in art, literature, or science. Who am I? Debonair is a person who is very confident, very classy, chic, stylish. Yes, dichotomy is two-sided. Diplomat is a person who represents the country in another country. He's also very tactful. Diplomatic is tactful, right? Okay, question number 13 on your screens. We have question number 13. What is the answer to this one? Yes, epicure is a pleasure seeker, guys. So Epicurean is a person who likes to eat, drink, make merry. I'll give you two more words. Sybarite is also a pleasure seeker, and hedonist. Learn these three words together. Epicure, sybarite, hedonist. You also say Epicurean. Now, what is an epigraph? Epigraph is an inscription on a coin, also can be on a building or on a statue. Epitaph is what is written on a person's tomb. On the person's grave, what you write is epitaph. Epitome is a perfect example of something. He is an epitome of honesty, right? So that's why you say epitome. So you got it, guys. Epicure is a person who is pleasure seeker. Epigraph is writings. Inscription. Epitaph is what you write on a person's tomb, and epitome is a example. Very good. Radha, Jaya, Shivangi, Jyoti. Yes, guys, at question number 20, we will do the leaderboard and then again at 40. Is that fine? So stay with me till the end of the class. This is a fun class and more of competition where you can learn so many words with me. Yes, religious fanatic, we say. He's a fanatic. Who is a jingoist? Jingoist is a nationalist, a flag waver. Expatriate is a person who leaves the country. Foreigner, you know. I'm a person who is hard to please, very selective. Who am I? Yes, okay. Answer is fastidious. Fastidious is a person who is very, very exacting. He wants everything to be perfect. Filicide is the killing of. Fantasy is dream. Killing of a child. Correct. Not father. Father is patricide. Fugitive is a person who is asked to leave a country. Yes. Okay, answer is A. I'm a person who believes in fate. Who am I? Come on. Easy one. 100%. I am fine. Yes, guys, answer is D. Very good. Fatalist. Fatalist, believing that everything that happens is fated to happen. Yes, so fantasy, filicide is the killing of a child, fiesta is celebration. Fantasy is a dream. One who sells and arranges cut flowers with who am I? This one is so easy, guys. How can you mark wrong one? Cut flowers is not flamboyant, right? Flamboyant is showing off. Yes, show offish. Florist is the answer. What is the flotilla? Small fleet of ships. Fleet. Filicide, killing of children. Right? Okay. I'm a person who runs away from justice. Who am I? Very good. Not C, guys. Frivolous is unimportant. Killing of fetus. Yes, fratricide is the killing of brother, killing of the fetus. Fugitive is the answer. I'm a person who acts against religion. Yes, I told you in the previous question. Who am I? Against religion. Come on, guys. Those who pay attention will find the answers. Because a lot of the options are repeated. Yes, so person who acts against religion is a heretic, religious heretic. Helter skelter means to run in a disorderly manner. Henpecked, hacker. Herd is a group of cattle, right? What is VRV is a hacker? Henpecked is a husband, pativrata patni, bivi ka gulam, correct. I don't know if he is a hacker. Yes. Henpecked person is Joruka Gulam. Yes, so a person intellectual or erudite in taste is highbrow. Hinterland is area close to towns and yes, away from the coast. Cities. Homicide is the killing of humans. Honking, honk, using the horn. I'm a person who's incapable of being tampered with. Radha, Rajat, Shivangi, Kiran, Jaya. Yes, answer is B. Impregnable, cannot be broken, cannot be tampered with. Impeach is to remove from power. Impeachment of the president. Impromptu is doing something on the spur of the moment. On the spur. Like you give an impromptu speech. Impunity is to escape from punishment. He got away with impunity without being punished. I'm a person who does not express myself freely. Who am I? Easy. All of you know this one. Come on, guys. 100%. Come on. Yes. Still not 100%. So, as somebody who is marking A, I just gave you the meaning of impeach, impunity, impromptu. The only one I didn't give you is introvert. Introvert is a person who does not express himself freely. Yeah, guys, it's not A. Most of you are marking A. Who is an imposter? Imposter is a person who is deceptive. So he comes dressed up as somebody else with the identity of somebody else or name of somebody else. This is deceptive. But intruder is a person who is not welcomed. You walk into like this is your territory, you're walking into somebody else's territory, you're intruding. Intransigent is a person who is stubborn, not willing to bend, correct. Impromptu, on the spur of the moment. I just gave you the meaning of this word. Let's go to 24. I didn't do the leaderboard. Supervisors in an examination hall. I will do now, guys. Yes, we all know this because we have been giving exams since childhood. Yes, guys, anybody wishing to take the Plus subscription, please go ahead and take it. Yes, so answer here is invigilator is the one in the examination hall. Introvert, I told you, inundate means to flood. Overwhelm, correct. And invertebrate is habitual. Habitual. He is an invertebrate traveler. Compiler of dictionaries. Here is the leaderboard. Radha 24 out of 25, Jaya is 23, Shivangi 21. I told you there will be a difference of only one. Shivangi, Manu, Himanshi, Baishali, Keshav, Rajat, Dr. VARC, and Kriya, guys. Very good. You're doing very well. So, a person who compiles dictionary, lexicon is a kind of a dictionary. Lexicographer compiles dictionary. Lair is the den of wild animals, the lair of the tiger or lion. Laurel means to win laurels means to win praise. Levity is being very light, lightness. I'm a person who is an important part of an organization plan. Who am I? I already gave you the other words, so 100%, come on. Linchpin is like a kingpin. Laudable is praiseworthy. Laurel praise and levity is lightness coming from the root lev. Okay? Yes, I'm a person who is mentally ill. Who am I? Yes, answer is B, lunatic. Lunatic is a person who is mad. Laurel, levity, I gave you. Luster is shine. Sheen. Person who wants to make money all the time. If he lifts a glass from here and keep it there also, he will demand money. Correct. Memorandum is a set of rules. Manager, you know. Menial work is doing physical work. Hardship. Mercenary. Mercenary is a money maker. Like I said, if he lifts a glass and from here and keeps it there, he'll say, "Paise de do." Manu is saying 150 रुपया लूंगा. Yes, guys. A is the answer. Misanthrope. What is the opposite of misanthrope? Mis is bad. Anthrope is mankind. What is the opposite of misanthrope? Philanthrope. Memorandum rules. Menagerie. What is a menagerie? Is a collection of wild animals kept for exhibition. So this is a collection of wild animals, just like in a zoo. Maternal relating to motherly. Collects coins. Who is a coin collector called? We must have done this in school. Yes, Sky. I'm a person who collects coins as a hobby. Numismatism is hobby. Niche is something which is very specific and centralized. Like if there is a wall and I cut out this part of the wall and create a niche. We also say niche market. So a specified market is known as very specific. Nomad is a person who is homeless. Niche skills, yes. Nostalgia is looking at the past with dear memories. You remember your childhood with nostalgic memories. Lover of mankind, I just told you this one. Come on, guys, mark the answer 100%. Yes, 100%. I hope nobody changed their mind. Yes, guys. So 100%. Congratulations. Philanthropist, lover of mankind. Pedantic is like a teacher. Pedicure, mani pedi, doing your nails, your toes. And this is a study of rocks. Very good. Science of rocks is petrology. Admires women. Fastidious is pedantic. Pedantic is more to do with instructions. Fastidious is exacting in any way. He's very exact. That means perfectionist. Fastidious is like a perfectionist. Yes, we just have another 10 questions and we are done, guys. 42 questions is what I have here. Gynae means female. Pedagogue is related to teaching. Pedant also is giving you set of instructions. Yes. Okay. Admires women. Philogynist. Philo is love. Gynist is woman. Pedicure, I told you. Pillion rider, person who rides at the back of your bike. हाँ. So scooter में जो पीछे बैठता है is called pillion rider. Placebo is a medicine which has no efficacy. It does not have any medicinal value, but it's just psychologically, when you go to the doctor and he gives you some medicine, even if it is some sweet pill, some people feel better. So placebo is given where people, are very, very psychologically upset. The placebo effect. We discussed this in the morning class. I'm a person who speaks more than one language. Yes, polyglot. Poly means many. Glot is actually tongue. So speaking many languages. Pedicure, I told you, psychoanalyst is a person who studies the mind. Placebo, I already explained to you guys. Answer is C. Talented in some way. Plutocracy is a government by the rich. Pose is policeman. Prodigy is the answer. He is a child prodigy. That means having very, very advanced mental faculties. Prognosis is the course of the disease. Like diagnosis is to identify the disease, prognosis is to tell you what will be the evolution of the disease, what will be the course of the disease. Election trends. Do you find this class interesting, guys, to learn vocabulary? Yes, thank you for the many dedications, guys. I received a lot of hats in the last few days, including one from Kiran and some, I don't remember the names. Ujwal, has Ujwal sent me a hat? Cephalogist. Protagonist is the hero. Punctilious again means being perfect. Prognosis, I told you. The hero of a book or a film is called a protagonist. Thank you. Hundred percent. We all know this one. Yes, 100%. Okay, ramshackle building means broken. He lives in a ramshackle building means broken. Radio jockey is the answer. Rebate means to get a cut or a discount. Tax rebate. Rebuff is to get a reply. To get a rebuff from somebody is a reply. I like to live in solitude. Who am I? Alone. Solitude means alone. Yes, recluse, guys. Living alone is recluse. It's not ritzy. Definitely at the end, I must be careful. It's a quiz, right, Jaya? Huh. So recluse is living alone. Ritzy is a person who is very, very posh, elegant. And resilient is a person who can bounce back. Like even in the worst circumstances, if he can bounce back, he is very, very resilient. Elasticity. Rebuff, as I told you, is to reply back. I'm a person unfairly blamed for something that I have not done. Very good. Scapegoat, saver, screech, secular. So you often say this, I was made the scapegoat, right? Bali ka bakra, correct. Savor is to taste. Screech is a sharp sound, like, the sound of tin on the road. So it's a very sharp sound. Screeching. Secular means believing in all religions. India is a secular country. Being in a state of stupor means being unconscious. Stoics are us, this was a school of people who did not believe in any kind of pleasures. They had a very strict disciplinarian life. They were indifferent to pain and pleasure. Screech and secular, I already gave you guys. They're almost coming to the end. I'm a person who shows great or excessive fondness for one's wife. Your own wife, not somebody else's wife. Yes, very good. I like the way some people are marking utilitarian. Utilitarian. So if you show excessive fondness for one's wife, you're utilitarian, useful, right? Okay, utopia is idealistic state, very perfect. Uxoricide is the killing of the wife. Answer is uxorious. Uxorious husband is very, very possessive of his wife, very doting husband. Very good. Next question is the last one, guys. Yes, a person who is skilled in any kind of field is known as a virtuoso. Particularly in music, you say he's a musical virtuoso. Vilify means to malign somebody, to criticize. Last, vivid is clear. Vociferous is loud. Last question and leaderboard coming up. Are you waiting with bated breath, guys? Bated breath. Let us see who is the winner of this. 95%. Everyone knows this one. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Jaya is 40 out of 42. Radha also 40, guys. Congratulations, Jaya and Radha. Jaya and Radha have been in my classes for the past few months. Shivangi 37, Dr. VARC expert 32, Kriya 32, Manu 32. Vaishali, Prachi, Jarina, Rajat. Great, guys. Very good. You're doing very well. Jaya and Radha, congratulations. Credit goes to me. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm willing to take the credit. If I worked hard, I should be getting it. Right? Yes, 25, Shweta. Hurrah. Hip, hip, hurrah. Yes. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this class. We will do many more such classes in the coming days. And those who have not yet subscribed, you are looking, guys, have one goal in your mind, 100 percentile in the CAT examination. What does it mean, Shweta? What's meaning of what? एक ही गोल है अपने सामने 100%. Okay, options. Whine means the sound of crying. So when you bring a dog into your house the first day, he will keep whining. Wreath is to go round. Or you place a wreath on a dead body. Flowers का circle होता है, right? Wardrobe is your cupboard where you hang your clothes. So answer is warden. Got that? Yes, I can. Yes, guys. So 100 percentile is the goal. That's it. We are going to end today's class. That's it. We just have a minute left. So I am just trying to urge students. We have started July, 1st of July hai. Use HK10, use Core 10. Manu, have you used it? Have you used it, Manu? Yes, when are you going to subscribe? On the 5th of July, I am starting. It was fun, right? I also enjoyed. 5th of July, I'm starting a batch, guys. All the students who are serious. Later on, nahi. It's too late. 4 महीने तो बच गए. Take a 3-month subscription, 4-month subscription. Please go ahead and take, guys. 5th July को मैं नया batch शुरू करने वाली हूँ. हाँ, so take it now. July, August, September, October, November. 5 months. Yes, they are free, but I put in so much of effort. So how much better will be the plus classes be, Kiran? If these classes are helping you, how much better are the plus classes? Can you imagine? So I have a plus batch on which, or Telegram group. I have a Telegram group for the plus students and I have so many students there. So guys, don't hesitate. If you think you have confidence in Harpreet ma'am, please go ahead and enroll with Core 10 or HK10. And that is the end of today's lecture. There is one more here. Who am I? Who am I? A, correct. I'm a newcomer. Who am I? A again, greenhorn. I'm an illusion. I have a lion's head, goat's body, and a serpent's tail. Who am I? D, correct, Jaya. Okay, guys, so that is the end of today's class. Have a great day. All the best. See you. Bye bye. Take care.